Here behind me on the lift at the Schmiedmann owns workshop, you find the BMW E90, which is in for a brake change, discs and pads. The customer has gone for a pretty cool combination, as I think, with the Hella brake discs all around and, of course, EBC, British-made, green stuff pads for less dust and great braking performance. So let's have a look on what's going on here. When delivering the car to us, the customer told us even though his coolant fluid is up to the brim, the board computer tells him that the level is low. But of course we can fix that, and we have the parts in stock to do so. It is a leveling switch in the expansion tank, so let's get that fixed as well. Schmiedmann did it again, sent a happy customer back safely on the road in his BMW. If you need the right parts at the lowest prices in the world, go to schmiedmann.com now and find anything you need for your BMW or Mini. That brings us to the end of today's video. I enjoyed it. I hope you did as well. Like, share and comment this to let us know what you think, and share the good news from Schmiedmann. See you soon.